So hey guys, welcome back, and I am back with another design unfold episode. So today we are going to unfold this one, and it is very easy. I was trying to create something funny, but sometimes it looks funny and sometimes it looks serious. So I was trying to create something funny, but it ended up creating this, and going to show you whole process what I followed and how did I created it. So make sure to watch the entire video. In the end, I will tell you about one thing which changed my whole design. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and follow me on other social media platforms. Yeah, that's it. Nothing to say that. And now let's move to my screen. So guys, we are here at my screen, and I already told you I wanted to make it funny, but it does not look funny. It looks funny sometimes, it looks serious sometimes. So yeah, let me unfold this one. And so yeah, we are completely blank. So first of all, I imported an image, and I imported the image in this position of a person, and then I imported this image of Angry Bird, and then I masked this portion so that the behind portion does not look good, and converted the person into black and white. What you can do is just simply select the person, and you can go here and select black and white, or you can simply go to image and mode, image adjustments, and you can go to black and white and convert the image into black and white. From these two options you can use anyone. And after that I added some shapes to make it good, and then some more shapes, and I just copied this thing here, and till here it is not looking good. You can also see that. But then I did one thing which completely changed the whole look and feel of the design, is by adding this image over upon it and just turning the blend mode to linear burn. And it was this image. I simply searched, I think I searched retro paper effect. You can simply search retro paper effect and download this image, and then added linear burn, or you might add different stuff, but different blend modes, but linear burn was going great. And I will tell you one thing, that blend modes create magic. I was not expecting this, my work to go this crazy, but this blend mode really made it crazy. And then just I added some fonts, just like this, and just colored the A and N here and G here, R here, Y here, similar to this font. And it without blend modes it is looking like this. And I colored the same color to these alphabets. Rest alphabets are colored white, similar to the background, and these alphabets are colored orange, selected alphabets, and given the stroke to every font, every layer, every text layer. So before, without using this thing, it is looking like this. And just simply adding blend modes, adding some retro effect, designs go crazy. I have some more works on which I added some thing and then given some blend mode, and it literally goes crazy. From a good design to a great design in my perspective. It was what I designed, it was looking earlier, I will not say it is looking good, and it was not looking good, but it becomes great by giving this effect, and you simply don't have to do anything. So yes, you can try out this type of stuff, and if you have enjoyed the video, please hit a subscribe, and you can follow me on different social media platforms, link in the description. And that's it for today's video. Keep practicing designing, try blend modes, different blend modes with different stuff, and yeah, bye guys, see you in the next video.